Why does this look so patchy here?
You know that. Nandito tayo ngayon sa aming front deck. So, mag-a-assemble tayo ngayon, guys. Super ang ganda ng background natin kasi ang daming mga trees. So, itong box na to, tsaka ito, super ang bigat nito, guys. Pansamantala muna, guys, na ito yung binili namin kasi kailangan namin ng extra room para sa aming mga winter coat, boots, like that. You know, winter is coming, so kailangan natin may extra room. So, ito lahat ang ating asimbulin ngayon. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. I-video natin, guys, kasi nag-search kami kung paano mag-build ng ganito. Kaso wala kaming magandang video na nakita sa YouTube. We decided na i-video namin. So, dito kami ngayon. Pansamantala muna, dito muna kami sa ngayon. Para siyang rest house, no? Parang everyday we are on vacation. It's because of the place we are right now. Yung table na yan, dadalhin natin yan dito sa taas kasi kailangan natin yan. Diyan natin ilalapag lahat ng ating mga screw, ganyan. So, anyway guys, naalala nyo yung nag-paint ako dito mag-isa. Kailangan ko pa siyang pinturahan ulit kasi first coat pa lang yung nagawa ko, tapos hindi ko na siya na pinturahan ulit kasi umulan. So, kapag maganda yung panahon, magpipintura tayo. And then, yeah. Husband was there. Hi.
Hi.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah. I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna film it. And hopefully it'll help some people.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Oh, I should get a knife. A good knife.
Yeah. Good thing, guys, na meron kaming big, wide deck here kung saan tayo mag-assemble niyan. Ito yung gamit ko ngayong lights. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya dahil may lagayan din dito ng camera. So, dyan ko kayo ilagay ngayon. So, ito yung chairs natin dito sa ating front deck. Actually, regalo to nila sa akin. Gustong-gusto ko kasi siya, guys. As in, cute. Tapos, yung kulay niya, maganda din. So, ayun. Binili nila for me. Right now, we are going to open our boxes.
Penguin gazebo, 10 by 6 solarium.
This is the gazebo penguin. 10 by 16. So, this is our instruction that we need to follow.
That's the roof panel.
Okay. So, let's put back the cover, I think.
Yeah.
Because we need to assemble
Just save
the main parts of this gazebo. This box is so heavy. It's so
I've lost
sexy.
too much weight. I gotta get fat again.
We already opened the big box, so I think this is the door.
My hands are very dry and they're cracking.
My hands is cold too. We should wear gloves, right?
Nah, you can't wear gloves for this type of stuff.
Why?
Because you need to have all your fingerprints.
Are we going to open all of the box?
Yeah, we are.
Thanks,
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, I think these two boxes are pretty much the same. It's just panels. So I know what these ones are. Yeah, so this does have glass in it, eh?
Yeah.
Behind that. I hope.
Oh, it's not heavy.
Oh no, it's not heavy. No.
We could put it on the top, I think.
Well, put that plastic in first. There she goes. One of those that's under here, the opening. So you see all the numbers on these things? Let's put these all together, like, see the Y3s, like group the ones with the numbers all together. See, there's two MMs, and then we'll just, you can put them anywhere though. L, X.
So,
these are K's.
I wonder what is this? That's Y3, I think.
Okay, all those are the same, so you can just put them together.
Oh.
Like, it's not imperative, right? It just helps, makes it easier. Imperative, wait, what's that? This is a K. Okay. Yeah. F3. I want FU.
This one,
Okay.
I think. See, it's 2. Yeah.
This is A3 one half. Okay, so door on that side, because then here you can just come up the stairs and walk around and come in the door here.
Yeah, yeah.
Whereas this one,
Yeah, you're
if
right.
there's no door there, see, it's going to come out to about here. So you're going to have.
This is the way.
Yeah. The best part about this is we got the space to do it.
Right now, guys, these are all our wall on this side. So we are trying to put it together. We don't really know how to do this because this is our first time.
There were no other videos on the internet of this, so figured, hey, why not?
Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
We have to do that on the other side,
Yeah.
though, and that's going to be the hard part because we're able to do it on
So we're
flat
gonna
ground here.
stand this now.
Probably.
This side and this side, they are now connected each other, and let's do the same like this on the other side also. So right now we are going to insert this on the side. That's good.
So one thing I've already seen is that these there's little caps on this end. These have to be at the top of the solarium. We did it wrong the first time, and we're going to do it right this time.
Perfect. This is gonna be the bottom part. On that side?
Right on here. That connects right here, and then that forms a corner right here. Yeah, here, I'll show you. Okay, well, see? This is going to...
That's not gonna work.
So it's going to go like this, right? So the easiest way to join these two, I think, is to have this standing on its side, and then just run this with the corner piece. Run the track into it, like that.
Right.
You're gonna have to have 2 people for that, 100%.
Yeah. You need 2 or 3 people.
I thought these were gonna be the major problem, and they actually go in pretty easy.
This one. So we're trying to put that here in the middle.
Yep.
Right now we already add the door frame, and next we're gonna put the
door. Doo-dah.
So you can just open the door, da da da. I really like the color too. The edge of that is higher than the awning. I don't know how we're going to remove this, and not sure also if that is removable. Not sure.
It's not easy. That's the top.
The top, okay.
Yeah.
That's the top there. We are so cold already, and I don't know what time it is, but it's already dark, as you can see. We didn't have sun anymore, and let's see how long we can last building this, because we are already cold. I know, it's very easy. I really thought it's very hard.
It's too dark and cold.
I know. Let's just stop off with this. If that's gonna work, let's do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. So welcome back again to our video. So this is our second day of working our gazebo. So actually we start yesterday around 3, I think, in the afternoon. Let's continue this today. And by the way, last night this part of the wall fell down because it's so windy. So this gazebo has 2 doors, so our plan is one door over here and one door over here. So yeah, let's continue. This part here, because it's so bent over inside, so we need to fix that. We're gonna insert one of the stick in the middle to connect both of those.
So you can see that this is not lining up perfectly when we put the connector in between the panels. So what you can do is you can just get a little block of wood and hammer down the top of this, and it should slide down so it's flush along there. Take a little block of wood and just give it a few gentle taps, and it should slide in flush like that. So the ZZ3s, they go in from the side along the front track. For this piece that's on the top of the panels, there's two different ones. They don't tell you this in the instructions, but you can see these are, one is tapered on this end and one is tapered on that end. So you put the ZZ3 piece on the top with the tapered end sticking towards the outside, the side of the unit. So there you go.
So we're gonna put this over the top also. Just gonna slide that over to the edge. Okay, right now we're going to add this other triangle, and now we need to lock. We need to screw this inside. As you can see, this is the one that we put last night. Now we do that the same here on the other side. We're not done yet, but it's coming along. So update again, we're still working in our gazebo. So if you guys living like this and you're planning to expand more space, this is what you need to do, because you cannot drill the screw from the gazebo to the RV. So what we did here is we have a 4x4 post, so as you can see there, and we put a bracket over there.
We cut a notch out of the post to go around the track that held the awning, so that the post can go around it and connect to the top post.
Right. And then after that, we're gonna move on to the next step. Update again to our gazebo. So we are not done, but as you can see, we already put all the frame for our roof. Yeah, it's not easy to build this gazebo, but it's coming along. As you can see, we are finally done building our gazebo. So as you can see, we already put the door over there and one door over there. We already put the roof, and of course we put table and chairs. So we are planning to buy a heater to put here. This gazebo, we connected that to the RV. This is our front deck, and we built our gazebo there. So the door is over there, that is the front, and as you can see, we still have few things here. This is the side, the end of the RV. So this is the other side of the door. So this is the look inside. We still have a few things to do here, but I decided to show you the finished product of our gazebo. And that is the door going inside the RV. So I hope this is a big help for you if you're planning to expand your space in your house, and if you're planning to buy a gazebo and planning to expand more space. This is the look inside, and we are really happy that we finished building this, because on the day that we are working, it's very windy and it's raining and it's so cold, but we are trying to work even though it's cold. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.